Today I'll be showing you guys how to make automatic captions in Premiere Pro in only 1 minute. It's actually crazy easy to do, and I'll be showing you guys how to do that today. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1, let's edit. Thank you everyone for joining me today. So let's just dive into this Premiere Pro tutorial. Okay, so right here, once we're inside of Premiere Pro, you can see that I have a clip here on the timeline. To start adding the captions, all you have to do is go up to sequence and then go to auto transcribe sequence. Put it to whatever language you want. I'm obviously going to be doing English, and then hit transcribe. You can see right here it says creating auto transcription, rendering audio data. So right now what it's basically doing is getting all the audio and trying to convert it into words. This will take a lot longer depending on how long your video is. I recommend doing this after it's all cut up, not before. All you have to do is click create captions, and right here it's a lot more customizable. Format, subtitle, maximum length in characters, however long you want your lines to be, and if you want double lines or single, then hit create, and that's basically it. So now let's customize this instead of making it this boring text. To do this, click on one of your captions, go to essential graphics. On the bottom you can start customizing it. I like making it a little bigger, then change the font. Now let's add a black stroke. And now to change this for all of the captions, all you have to do is go to track style, click this up arrow, and then all captions on tracks. Now you can see that I made all of our captions this style. So that is basically it. Make sure to leave in the comments if you want to see me make a lot more of these Premiere Pro tutorials. I will still be doing Final Cut and everything else like that, but anyways, that will be it for today's tutorial. So I hope you guys learned something today. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll be making 2 more tutorials coming soon. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.